Okay, we got Chevy Malibu. Needs front brakes and rotors. So we're gonna go on and get them on. Okay, so you got this safety screw here that hold on the rotor. We're going to take that loose, which is a T30. What up, boy? Said on Gatekeeper videos. We on Gatekeep. T30. Okay, so to remove the caliper, it is a 14 millimeter. I'm a supplier, famo. Okay, getting the pads out. Okay, so sometimes you gotta hold that. Get it out. Okay, so we got the bolts out, which are 14 millimeters. Get that caliper off. Okay. Everybody like to cry about the cow. Hey, ain't the cow, just set it up there. Keep it simple. Okay. These pads look pretty worn. Yeah. Every dollar out of them. Every dollar. They ain't as wide as a penny. Okay. All right. Famo had me, I believe these 18s. Okay, so the caliber bracket socket size is a 21 millimeter. I'm working on my phone today, people. I ain't got my GoPro. Okay, so let's get the rotor off. Okay, so got the rotor off. What you said?
Money was a little bit different back then.
Yeah, money was a little different.
We making right now, we would have lived a good life back then.
Okay. Okay, rotor. Put your bracket back on.
Hey, people. You ain't said that yet. Your tone been changed. You ain't said okay, people. That's your ad lib.
Oh, I did say that. Yep, earlier.
Okay, people. 2018 Malibu. Yeah.
Okay. Now we just go ahead and tighten them up with our Milwaukee 1/2" impact. Okay. So I got that on. Okay. Now let's compress the caliper so we can put the brakes on. Use an old pad. My preferred C-clamp is a Husky from Home Depot. See how it fits perfect. Then you go ahead and you compress it. Okay, so apply grease here, here, and here. To your contact points. So make sure you put grease. Do that for everything. Okay, let's get it greased up.
Done on that big butt. Okay, that shit look like it's been on.
Set the pads. He might have paid for some brakes, but I ain't get them. You know how it go.
Somebody put a section, that's right, though. And he told me his man plugged in the computer, but the computer showed that engine light on for coolant sensors. He told me some other shit.
Okay.
You know he probably had somebody plug it in with a little $200 scanner.
Okay, got your brakes and rotor. Okay. All right. Let's tighten them down. And we all set. That's how you do front pads, brakes, and rotors. Okay, so I put the screws back in the calipers. Let's get all that tightened up. I absolutely love this skill. Oh my God, the light. Look at the light on there. I mean, it really lights up the work area. But that's it. That's how you do front brakes and rotors on a 2018 Chevy Malibu. Thanks for watching.